Choosing the right fetal Doppler. Comparing Edan, Huntleigh, Newman Medical, and Summit Doppler options from MFI Medical. Fetal Dopplers are essential diagnostic tools for monitoring a baby's heart rate during pregnancy, providing reassurance and early detection of potential issues. Selecting the right fetal Doppler for your medical practice can be challenging with various brands and models available. In this video, we will compare 8 popular Edan, Huntleigh, Newman Medical, and Summit Doppler models available at MFI Medical, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. The Edan SonoTrax Lite Fetal Doppler Baby Heart Monitor is a compact and user-friendly option, offering reliable fetal heart rate detection and an integrated speaker for clear audio output. This model features a high-sensitivity probe and a waterproof design. The SonoTrax Lite is perfect for small practices and portable use. Pros: compact and user-friendly design. Economical option. High-sensitivity probe and waterproof construction. Cons: lacks advanced features such as waveform display. It may not be suitable for high-volume practices. The Edan SonoTrax Pro Fetal Doppler Baby Heart Monitor offers advanced fetal heart rate monitoring capabilities, featuring a high-sensitivity probe and a backlit LCD display for easy reading. This baby heart rate monitor includes an integrated speaker, a waveform display, and a memory function to store previous readings for quick reference. Pros: advanced fetal heart rate monitoring capabilities, integrated speaker and waveform display, memory function for quick reference of previous readings. Cons: more expensive than some other models. It may not be suitable for all practice sizes. The Huntleigh Sonicaid D930 audio-only Doppler is the best fetal Doppler in economical range for fetal heart rate monitoring, providing reliable detection with an audio-only output. This model features an integrated speaker and a durable design, making it suitable for everyday use in various clinical settings. Pros: it is an economical baby heart rate monitor. Integrated speaker for clear audio output. Durable design for everyday use. Cons: lacks advanced features and display capabilities. It may not be suitable for specialized monitoring. The Huntleigh Sonicaid FD3 waterproof rate display Doppler is the best fetal Doppler for advanced fetal heart rate monitoring capabilities, featuring a waterproof probe and a large, easy-to-read display. This model includes an integrated speaker, automatic fetal heart rate calculation, and a durable design to withstand daily use. Pros: advanced baby heart rate monitoring capabilities, waterproof probe and easy-to-read display, automatic fetal heart rate calculation. Cons: more expensive than some other models. It may not be suitable for all practice sizes. The Newman Medical DigiDop 300 Digital Doppler is a reliable and durable option, offering digital signal processing for clear and consistent audio output. This model features an interchangeable probe system, allowing for customization based on clinical needs and a durable design to withstand daily use. Pros: digital signal processing for clear audio, interchangeable probe system for customization, durable design for everyday use. Cons: lacks advanced features such as waveform display. It may not be suitable for specialized monitoring. The Newman Medical DigiDop 700 Digital Doppler offers advanced features and customizable options, including a high-resolution color display and waveform visualization. This model includes an interchangeable probe system, allowing for customization based on clinical needs and a durable design to withstand daily use. Pros: advanced features, including the color display and waveform visualization, interchangeable probe system for customization, durable design for everyday use. Cons: more expensive than some other models. It may require additional staff training for optimal use. The Summit Doppler LifeDop L150 handheld Doppler is a versatile and portable option designed for both fetal heart rate monitoring and vascular assessments. This model features an interchangeable probe system and an integrated speaker for clear audio output. The LifeDop L150 is perfect for busy practices requiring a portable solution. Pros: versatile and portable design, interchangeable probe system for customization. Cons: lacks advanced features such as waveform display. It may not be suitable for specialized fetal monitoring. The Summit Doppler LifeDop L250 hand-held Doppler offers advanced features and customizable options, including a bidirectional probe for assessing blood flow direction and velocity. This model includes an interchangeable probe system, allowing for customization based on clinical needs and a durable design to withstand daily use. Pros: advanced features, including bidirectional capabilities, interchangeable probe system for customization, durable design for everyday use. Cons: more expensive than some other models. It may not be suitable for all practice sizes. Choosing the right fetal Doppler for your medical practice depends on your specific needs, budget, and the type of fetal assessments you perform. Edan, Huntleigh, Newman Medical, and Summit Doppler all offer high-quality fetal Doppler options with varying features and price points. The Edan SonoTrax Lite and Pro, Huntleigh Sonicaid D930 and FD3, and Summit Doppler LifeDop L150 provide reliable and user-friendly options, while the Newman Medical DigiDop 300, DigiDop 700, and Summit Doppler LifeDop L250 offer advanced features and customization options. By carefully considering the features, benefits, and limitations of each Edan, Huntleigh, Newman Medical, and Summit Doppler fetal Doppler model available at MFI Medical, you can select the most suitable option for your medical practice, ensuring optimal patient care and efficiency during fetal assessments. Thank you for exploring MFI Medical's guide to choosing the right fetal Doppler, comparing Edan, Huntleigh, Newman Medical, and Summit Doppler options from MFI Medical. Visit mfimedical.com and find the perfect fit today.